Transferring money from your Scotiabank to another bank is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can transfer money from your Scotiabank to another bank. Well, the process is pretty simple. In order to do that, you just need to follow these instructions. First things first, log into your online banking. Once you're logged in, you just have to go to the Move Money section. This is what your homepage will look like. You just have to go to Move Money. Once you're in the Move Money, you will be able to see these options. Under the transfer, you will see between my accounts or two others. You just have to select two others. After clicking on two others, you will be able to see this option. Now here, first things first, you just have to select from which account you want to transfer the money and then to which account you want to transfer. Now, in the to which you just have to click on this add a recipient to add any other bank account in which you want to transfer the money to. Now, after that, you simply have to enter the amount you want to transfer. You can actually add a message as well, which is quite optional. Now, after that, you will be able to review the transaction. And at the very end, you just have to confirm it to confirm your transaction. That's pretty much it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.